Hey guys, we're gonna do a really quick unboxing of this inverter. It's a really small one. So you guys can see it's 200 watts. Actually, that's a lot if you think about it. It does say running watts though. So if you're taking a look at the output, well, that's normal. Yeah, everything's pretty normal. Really small. So let's take a look at it, what comes inside the box. Oh, here we go. Battery not included. Operation, it's pretty standard because it's just an inverter. So unfortunately, this is just an unboxing. It's not a how-to video. And it's not the review. So you guys get to see exactly what comes inside the box, and that's about it. So here we go. That's what you guys get inside the box, this guy. So let me just show you around. That's where you guys would place the battery. On this side, you guys will gonna see the exact same information we saw around the box. Here are the connections. So it's really good that it has USB-C, by the way. So only new things have that. We have LEDs there. We have this to turn on our LEDs. And right here, you can turn that on. That's about it. It's very, 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 very simple. So it's actually really nice that they're making things like this. Very simple inverter. So for emergencies, I definitely see this as needed. And it doesn't feel that lightweight. So inverters should not be too light, even when they're really small. For 200 watts, this is fine. So the quality wise, I can tell you guys, it feels fine. Because when something is very lightweight, especially when it comes down to inverters, even when there's like really small ones like these, it's a problem. Because that means the quality isn't just there. So most likely it's gonna break pretty fast. So right now all I can tell you is that it feels pretty good. You guys will be able to plug in stuff right all the way around. And that's it. That's all I can show you in this unboxing video. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.